Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag, Uppada. So today in this class I will solve another problem. So let us write the problem statement. So the problem is, user need to give user input, and each time in the loop the I value will be divided by 2, and we have to count the number of iterations which will work for the for loop until n becomes to 1. So until n becomes to 1, which means user need to give some input, and each time the input should be divided by 2, and each time when it's divided by 2 we have to do counting how many times it will divide by 2 until becomes to 1 and becomes to 1. For example, take 20. So take 20 and divide by 2. What will be the output? What will be the result? 10. So again 10 will be divided by 2. So what would be the output? 2 5s. 5 is out. And again 5 will be divided by 2. And what would be the answer? 2.5. So likewise, until it will becomes to 1, the loop will be executed. And each time we have to do counting. So this is first step, first count. And second one is second count. Third one is third count. So simple. So how many happen? For example, it will happen up to 4, 4 I think. 4 count. 4 count. So what is the output total? 4 is the output. So I hope you understand the problem statement. Let us write the code. So import java.util.star scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. So indan is equal to sc dot next in. So we have taken the n as an input, and I will take count also. I will take count is equal to 0, and I will take for loop. It will start from n. Why I'm taking starting from n? Because from upward onwards, it will have to travel to 1. So from 20 to 1. So that's why I'm starting with 20. So what is the n value? 20. And I should be greater than or equal to 1. And I minus. Sorry, I should be each time divisible by 2. So each time divisible by 2. So each time we are dividing n by 2, right? So that's why I'm writing I by 2. I by equal to 2. Why I'm writing why I by is equal to 2? Each time n value is storing in I value only. So that's why I'm dividing I by equal to 2. So, and I will do count plus each time. So until it becomes to 1, this loop will be executed, and finally it will come out the loop when this condition fails, and I will print the count. That's simple. So let us run this program. So there is no errors. For example, take 20. So what's the output? So 5 is the output. So it's not 4, it's 5. So I think it's 5. So 5 is the output. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you find this video is helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. So then only you'll get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.